When it comes to web hosting, customization is key. You don't want a platform that forces you into a rigid setup, you want control. So today, we're putting GoDaddy and Scala hosting head to head to see which one offers better customization. And stick around, because by the end of this video, I'll share a better alternative that gives you even more flexibility than both of them. First, control over server configuration. GoDaddy is beginner-friendly, but that comes at a cost. You're locked into preset configurations unless you're on their VPS or dedicated plans. Even then, customization is limited compared to industry standards. Scala hosting, on the other hand, gives you full root access even on its managed VPS plans, letting you tweak your server settings, install custom software, and optimize performance however you like. Next, panel and interface flexibility. GoDaddy pushes its own custom control panel, which is okay for beginners, but frustratingly basic if you want deeper control. Scala hosting, however, lets you choose between cPanel or their own sPanel, which is lightweight, faster, and doesn't come with extra licensing fees. Plus, it gives you access to more advanced settings GoDaddy hides behind support tickets. The third thing, scalability and performance tuning. GoDaddy's shared hosting locks you into specific resource limits, and upgrading means switching plans entirely. Scala hosting is way more flexible. You can scale resources on demand, fine-tune performance settings, and even enable lightspeed caching at no extra cost, something GoDaddy charges for. Security customization is another big one. GoDaddy's security options are pretty standard. You get a firewall, malware scans, and backups, but for deeper security tweaks, you're often stuck with their support team. Scala hosting? You get S-Shield security, full SSH access, and custom firewall rules you can configure yourself. That's a game changer if you want more control over your site's safety. And finally, developer tools. If you're serious about customization, you'll want more than just one-click installers. Scala hosting gives you built-in Git, staging environments, and custom PHP configurations, features GoDaddy either lacks or makes you jump through hoops to get. So, which one's better for customization? Scala hosting takes the win. GoDaddy is fine for beginners, but if you want deeper control, performance tuning, and security flexibility, Scala hosting is the better choice. But after testing all of these, I found an even better alternative that gives you full customization without the hidden restrictions. If you want the best flexibility for your website, take advantage of the free trial in the first link in the description. You'll get exclusive benefits only available through our link, so don't miss out.